Hi everyone, as promised, a poem from the National Trust Book of Nature Poems. I'm going to be reading Carol Ann Duffy, and it's a poem about bees. Carol Ann Duffy, as you may not know, is a poet laureate. She's alumni of Manchester Metropolitan University. She was born in Scotland and she's a poet and playwright. Bees. Here are my bees, brazen, blurs on paper, besotted, buzzwords, dancing, their flawless, airy maps, being deep, my poet bees, in the parts of flowers, in daffodil, thistle, rose, and even the golden lotus. So glide, gilded, glad, golden, thus wise, and know of us how your scent pervades my shadowed, busy heart, and honey is art. Just before you go today, guys, a gentle reminder, I have 3 new courses available in performance, public speaking, and commanding the room. My email is in the bio, so don't be afraid to drop me a line and inquire about the courses, and I'm happy to tell you more. Thanks so much and have a gorgeous day.